Okay, let us check how to register for a global atomy. What is global atomy is those countries where atomy is yet to be opened, yet to be launched. Even those countries resident can make a user ID before it launch. We call it this is pre-launching user ID, and the requirements is full name, date of birth, phone number of that country, email address, residential address. You have to put a password which is more than 8 digits, and it should be alphanumeric, and special characters should be included. You need a guest password which should be more than 6 digits, and you need to have a sponsor ID under whom the new user ID, new ID need to be created. Since the country atom is yet to be open, so there is no center, so you have to select a center same as the sponsor. Okay. So how to get into the registration form is you can log into global atomy also, or you can log into any of the country where atomy is launched, like atomy India or atomy USA, atomy Canada, atomy Japan, whichever uh, atomy website you can log into it, and there is an option of global registration membership. Okay, I'll show you now. So go to any of the browser you have. Say this is Google Chrome. All you have to do is type global atomy, global atomy. So it will give you this link, global atomy. Over here in the right hand side below it, you have global atomy hub, and you have a join command. Again, there are a list of countries over here, so you have to choose your own country. Say if you are going for England, you have to choose select England and go to shortcut. Then it will open the main page. Okay, over here also it will be showing in the languages in Korea, so you have to change the language to English and change the country. So United Kingdom is already selected. If you want to select any other countries like Nepal or Italy, wherever now atomy is not open, you can select that country and can proceed with this. Yes, I have a sponsor. This is one way that you can log into global atomy or any of the atomy website where atomy is open. Say if you are getting to atomy India, Indian site. So if you have an existing ID and password, you can log in into that password. Say I have logged in into my ID password. So over here also you'll find that there is a join us command. When you press this join us command, you'll find this global membership registration. Okay, once you press this join command, you'll find that this sign up page opens. Okay, here you have to change the language option and the country you need to register. Say I'm going for United Kingdom, so you can choose United Kingdom and proceed. Okay, similar way you can log into any of the countries. Say global, sorry, atomy Japan. Say if you are from Japan, you can select atomy Japan and can log in first with your existing user ID. If you have an existing user ID, if you don't have an existing user ID, it's simply you have to go to global atomy. Okay, over here also you have a membership registration option. When you click it, there is a global membership registration. Okay, so go to join. So you have to change your language option. If you are fine with English, go with English. Change the country to your desired country. Say I'm now trying for United Kingdom, so choose United Kingdom. Okay, we'll proceed with this. Yes, I have a sponsor. If you have a sponsor, you have to choose this one and proceed. So you'll show some of the membership guide and all. You have to check this. Go next. Again, it will show some terms and agreements. Go below. You have I agree, I understood, and then go next. So this verification pages appears. So you have to write down your name, your last name, your date of birth, So now I'm filling for United Kingdom. So you have to put the country code of United Kingdom. You have to search it from the pull down menu and select United Kingdom. The country code is +44. You have to put the mobile number and go confirm and go next. So there is an option asking for you are fine with the personal information you entered for Atomy membership registration is stored in the Republic of Korea. Okay, go for I agree and go next. So here comes the information form. You have to put down your name, your last name, your gender. You have to put one password consisting of more than 8 alphanumeric and special characters. Okay, you have to confirm the same password. Okay, you have to put a guest password also, so it should be more than 6 or more digits. You have to put your email address, Gmail. You have to put your email address. You have to check this for getting Atomy news, and you have to put your address. So after you put your apps address, you have to go below. It's asking for the spouse. If you want to register your spouse name and spouse detail, you can put here your spouse name, date of birth, and phone number. If you don't want to add your spouse detail, go to next no, or if you are not married, you can use this no and go proceed. Okay, for Atomy, if a married couple can have only one ID. Okay, so husband and wife will have only one ID. So in any case, if you are not married or if you don't want to put your spouse information, you can go no and go next. As soon as you press next, so this sponsor information page appears. So you have to put your sponsor's ID and go for search. It will show your sponsors ID, and over here, since because this is a binary type of add up is there, so you'll find that there is only two places. If the left is already occupied and right is empty, so it will go to the right side. Okay, if both are empty, then it will take the left side by default. Okay, go and do select. It will show you the name of your sponsor, the sponsors center. So you have to choose. I will choose the same center as of the sponsor. Okay, as soon as you do next, your membership is completed. Okay, so as soon as you go next, this appears that your membership is completed. So with this user ID and password, you can access any of the countries where Atomy is still running. Say, if you want to log into Atomy India, you can get into this Atomy India with this user ID. You can even buy things from Indian Atomy and deliver it to India. So if you want to log into Atomy USA, you can log into Atomy USA. You can purchase, you can shop from USA site and deliver it to USA. You cannot buy shop from Atomy USA and deliver it to United Kingdom. So when Atomy is launched in United Kingdom, you can shop from United Kingdom, deliver it to United Kingdom. Till then, you have to wait. Okay, so right now, till it opens in United Kingdom, your ID remains as a user ID. After it gets opened, it will ask for your identity card and bank address. After deposition, after attachment of those documents, your ID will be converted into business account. In that case, you get a group PV and personal PV also. So now in case if you purchase anything from any of the countries, so you get only your personal point, personal PV, but you don't get a group PV. Okay, apart from England also, England will be launched within a year. So within a year, your account remains active. Any of the countries, like if you want to register with Kenya or Germany or any of the country where now the launching period is not known, if it is launching after 3 years also, even then your member user ID remains active till the date of launch. So this is the way you can make a pre-launching user ID, and you can shop in those countries where Atomy is available now. Okay, thank you for listening.